Hello everybody, this is Dr. Adriana Lopez. Thanks for being with me in this lesson number 9 of the Orthodontics model. In this lesson, we're going to cover midline diastema, cleft and lip palate, and also tooth eruption. And remember, if you see this little white tooth with that question mark next to it, that's a slide that you want to pay attention to because 1 or 2 questions might come on the exam regarding that topic. And we're going to start our lesson talking about midline diastema in mixed dentition. So what is a midline diastema in mixed dentition? Why this happens? Well, actually, this is something very common. 98% of 6-year-old children will have a midline diastema, and this is something that is very normal. And 49